Hello, my name is Scott Groves, and I'm Thordon's Regional Manager for the Americas. Today we're going to do some testing with this piece of Thordon SXL and this piece of carbon graphite, two materials that are commonly used in segmented shaft seal applications in hydro-turbines. This is the pendulum impact test, where we're going to test the durability of each product. We're going to raise the 10-pound hammer to a specified height, and we're going to lock the sample into the test reel. Now, let's see what happens when we test the SXL. It did appear to survive the impact. So here we go here. Upon closer review, there's no cracks, there's no deformation to that SXL at all. Beautiful impact resistance. So now that we've seen the results with Thordon SXL, now we're going to test this piece of carbon graphite, subject it to the exact same impact test. So obviously that one didn't go quite as well as the SXL test. Let's take a closer look at this one. So you can see here, that is a clean fracture. So now that our test is complete, we've seen that the Thordon SXL survived the hammer test quite easily, and the carbon graphite did not. So we've proven that the Thordon SXL segmented shaft seal segment is impact resistant, whereas the carbon graphite seal segment likely isn't. Now, thankfully, if you're in a turbine pit, you don't have to worry about a 10-pound hammer swinging at you. However, what you do have to worry about is the handling of the material. Handling segments in a turbine pit can be very problematic. The space is very confined, it can be dark, you don't have a lot of room to work with. You want to avoid chipping the face, you want to avoid cracking the segment, or goodness gracious, you really don't want to drop one, otherwise you're going to be in for a very expensive repair. Taking a look at this one, we can drop the SXL one all day. It's never going to chip, scratch, or break. All right, so we just saw the Thordon SXL shaft seal segment survive my drop test. With this piece of carbon, we definitely don't want to do that because I know how expensive these are and I wouldn't want to break one. Oh my goodness.